Hello, teacher. My name is Marie Cortez. Today I spoke impossible food. For me, impossible food are the bad idea. Fair day is very expensive because research costs a lot, so normal people cannot buy them easily. Uh, Another idiot is they are very artificial, but people prefer food that is natural and simple. Also, if you ask me, the taste is not exactly the same as real meat. They say they'll help the environment, but real food is better and cheaper. That's why is prefer real food because it's cheaper, natural, and tastes better. Is thank you, teacher.